Welcome to Bongo Indian Cooking. Today I'll share with you South Indian style tamarind tomato rasam. For making this recipe, take half tablespoon tamarind, soak it. Let the oil heat up. I have poured a tablespoon oil. After oil is hot, add quarter teaspoon mustard seed. After the mustard seed crackle, add 2 dried red chilli, tear it. Saute for few seconds until it fragrant and the red chilli is lightly darkened. Then add 2 crushed tomato and 10 to 12 curry leaves. Cook until tomato is softened. In the meantime, prepare a rasam masala in a mortar. Add a 1.5 teaspoon cumin seed and 5 unpeeled garlic. Turn on the heat, put the mortar and roast the garlic and cumin seed over low heat. Allow it lightly cool and then add 2 teaspoon black pepper powder. Grind with the pestle until it coarsely ground. Whenever you will crush it in the mortar and pestle, it tastes better. Add this coarsely ground garlic, cumin seed and black pepper powder into the tomato. Add half a teaspoon turmeric powder and mix well. Give a good mix, stir well, then add a full glass of water. Bring it to boil and cook for 3 to 4 minutes over high heat. You can adjust water according to your choice. Then add our previously prepared tamarind pulp. Season it with salt. Cook for another 2 minutes over high heat. See, our yummy rasam is done. Cover and stand for 5 minutes. Serve this delicious rasam with steamed rice. If you like this recipe, like, share and subscribe, and happy Onam.